same one. Good day and welcome to Ham Wall near Glastonbury. Today we don't actually know what we're going to go after. We're just going to go after and see what we can find. We have come down here. It's about 4 o'clock now, but we did spend a couple of hours kind of arguing with the support people here. Anyone guess why? Because I want to go to this place here. Avalon Hide. Now Avalon Hide is on a path which you're not allowed normal dogs on. So I went up to the reception area, should we call it, and done what I've been asked to do many times when I go to these places and reported Dora as being a support animal. And they turned around and said, who's trained her? Well, I've trained her. She's self-trained, which is perfectly legal because you don't need any certificates anyway, and it's hard in the UK. So we had a little bit of an argument. We may or may not get kicked out with the Avalon Hide, because in the end it turned around and said, well, I've shown her the documentation, shown her where it says in the human rights, and I basically said, well, I'm going to go up to the Avalon Hide anyway. So we're going up to the Avalon Hide anyway, so we may get kicked out.
Let's say the things that we both know. Gonna take these words and make them slow. I know a place on the edge of town. Whiskey and the wind are the only sound. Let's make like a tree, grow some roots, do all the things that old folks do. I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You've got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Want someone to lie with, rely on to fly with. Wanna drive all night and head out west. Get lost in Montana, find the Santa Ana. If we're going nowhere, we're going nowhere fast. Hard times come and hard times pass. I'll be there when the sky turns black.
Black cap.
I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You've got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. else more could someone need? You got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. And if that well runs dry, that'll never cross our minds. So bring on the aftershock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock.
Don't you ever
Say that again.
are you clever?
Put that on me. Crying.
Listen to music.
Soothe me with treason.
Don't make this hard for me.
Get up.
Sit down.
Open your eyes.
Yes,
Shut
definitely, yes.
Let down.
We don't have time.
Just stop it.
Say it.
Don't we always do this?
Mirror the moments. All agree to disagree. I wish we could run away, go and hide. I wish we could run. Running away from the you in my life. Damage is done. I wanna go back.
To where we lost track.
It's getting harder every time I look back. Don't you ever,
Listen to me.
don't forget.
Be patient, please.
Never,
Never,
never, my darling.
never again, dear.
Never depart from me. I wish we could run away, go and hide. I wish we could run, running away from you in my life. Damage is done. I wanna go back.
To where we lost track.
It's getting harder
Every time I look back.
Don't you ever,
Listen to me.
don't forget.
Be patient, please.
Never,
Never,
never, my darling.
ever again, dear.
Never depart from me.
Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. The room is lit with candles and a fire in your eyes. We are lace and leather as I lay by your side. I know I want you here, I just don't know why. The only way I can survive. Coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Blow the candles out and think about my life. How did I get here? And where am I going? He's a beautiful man, but I know that I don't love him. The only way I can survive is coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. Stuck in this routine, but it doesn't feel like mine. A mix of pain and pleasure when everything feels wrong, and I can only ask myself to be so